a track that goes up and down. The cars start high and race to the ground. When they reach the end, they fly through the air. They land on the ground without a care, making cars that race and fly.